Hi everybody, my name is Leif O'Connell. I work right down here at Rowe Ford. I wanted to tell you guys all about the most requested feature this year in a vehicle. It's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Me, I have an iPhone. I'm going to show you all about the iPhone, Apple CarPlay, how it can benefit your lifestyle behind the wheel. It's pretty simple. You just need a phone that's compatible and you need your charge cable from home. Plug it into your USB port down here. As soon as you plug the lightning cord into your phone, you get this message. It just is a disclaimer. You hit continue, and it just allows you to use Apple CarPlay with the vehicle. You also have another disclaimer. Just hit agree. And this is cool. 911 assist. You can choose to turn it on or off. I always say turn it on if you get into a bad wreck and you're unresponsive. It'll send help your way. What's wrong with that? Hit continue. And then you're going to see this magic appear. All your familiar icons appear right to the screen. Just hit this button here, bring us right back. So all those icons I'm very familiar with. I can text, use my Google Maps right from the screen. And just to show you how cool this feature is, watch this. So I'm driving 70 miles an hour down the highway. It's nighttime. My eyes are right in front of me where they should be, keeping me and my passengers safe. Hey Siri, text wife.
What do you want to say?
Don't cook dinner. I'm bringing home food tonight.
Your message to wife says don't cook dinner. I'm bringing home food tonight. Ready to send it?
Send.
Okay, it's sent.
Now just picture yourself. You're a businessman, you're an everyday driver, you're on the highway, you have relatives texting you while you're on the road. Now you can safely respond to them every time, and you can also have Siri double check your messages before you tell her to go ahead and send them. And the other thing is really cool, you can have Siri navigate you to Walmart, Hannaford, your local spots, the pharmacy. You can have her search restaurants, the coolest Thai food places. I mean, it's limitless what you can do with this software. I absolutely love it. If you guys do want to come down, learn more about it, just feel free to come down to 91 Main Street. Come in, ask for an available sales rep. He'd be glad to show you all the cool benefit features of this and how it can benefit your lifestyle every day, almost all day when you're behind the wheel. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys learned a lot about the Apple CarPlay, and come on down to Rowe Ford. Allow us to just show you how cool it is. Thanks for your time.